What's up guys? So I am on my way to pick up Adam because we are going to the cleaning show today at London XL. So yeah, I'm gonna hopefully try and get a few clips of some stuff there. I know someone that went Tuesday, first day it opened, and there's some pretty cool stuff there. There's a few bits that some people know of. I've seen a few bits online, so hopefully I'll try and get a few clips today. I mean, I went last year, however I didn't record or nothing. I know Sam recorded. You probably saw his video if you're subscribed to him. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Obviously you can put it down lower to give it an even, more aggressive brush. I'm hoping that means
So squeegee, promise, take it off, turn it around, turn it over. If it starts wearing down, it's like putting new wiper blades on your car.